Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the upcoming iPad mini 7. With its anticipated release just around the corner, there's a lot of buzz about what Apple has in store for us. From design tweaks to powerful new features, let's explore what makes the iPad mini 7 a device to look forward to. Design and display. First up, let's talk about the design and display. The iPad mini 7 is expected to retain the same compact 8.3-inch screen as its predecessor. This size is perfect for those who want a portable yet powerful device. One of the most talked about improvements is the rumored fix for the jelly scrolling issue. Apple is reportedly addressing this by rotating the screen assembly, which should provide a smoother and more consistent scrolling experience. Processor. Moving on to the processor, the iPad mini 7 is likely to feature either the A17 Pro or the A18 chip. This is a significant upgrade from the A15 Bionic chip found in the current model. With this new processor, users can expect faster performance, better graphics, and improved efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using demanding apps, the iPad mini 7 is set to deliver a seamless experience. Now let's discuss connectivity. The iPad mini 7 is expected to come with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. These upgrades mean faster internet browsing and more reliable connections. Whether you're streaming videos, downloading large files, or pairing with other devices, these enhancements will make your experience smoother and more efficient. Camera. Another exciting feature is the front-facing camera. The iPad mini 7 may have its front camera positioned on the landscape edge, similar to the iPad Air. This change is particularly beneficial for video calls, providing a more natural angle and making your virtual meetings feel more like face-to-face conversations. Apple Pencil support. For those who love to draw or take notes, the iPad mini 7 is likely to support the Apple Pencil Pro. This advanced stylus offers features like squeeze gestures, haptic feedback, and fine integration, making it a powerful tool for creativity and productivity. Whether you're sketching, annotating documents, or simply jotting down ideas, the Apple Pencil Pro will enhance your experience. When it comes to aesthetics, the iPad mini 7 is expected to offer a range of color options. You can look forward to choosing from space gray, starlight, and blue. These colors not only add a personal touch to your device, but also make it stand out with a sleek and modern look. Release date and price. As for the release date and price, the iPad mini 7 is rumored to hit the market in early November. The starting price is expected to be around $499. This makes it a competitive option for those looking for a high-performance tablet without breaking the bank. iPad mini. Lastly, let's touch on an exciting rumor about the future. Apple is reportedly working on a foldable iPad mini. While this innovative device isn't expected to be released until 2025 or later, it's an intriguing glimpse into the potential future of Apple's product lineup. A foldable iPad mini could revolutionize the way we use tablets, offering even more versatility and portability. To wrap things up, the iPad mini 7 promises to bring several exciting upgrades and features. From its improved processor and connectivity to enhanced camera placement and Apple Pencil support, there's a lot to look forward to. We can't wait to see how these changes will enhance the user experience. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech news.